In order to make the best tea, you will need loose leaf tea, measuring spoons, a food thermometer, heated water, and of course your teapot. Step 1. Remove the lid. Step 2. Warm the teapot by filling it with hot water, then pouring it out. Step 3. Add the tea leaves to the top metal filter. The amount of tea you use depends on the type of tea. Step 4. Heat water to the proper temperature for the type of tea you are using. Step 5. Pour the hot water over the tea leaves into the teapot. Step 6. Let the tea steep for the proper amount of time, depending on the type of tea you are using. Step 7. Serve the tea immediately or remove the metal filter with the tea leaves to prevent oversteeping. If you wish to make iced tea, double the amount of tea leaves and double the amount of time, then pour over ice.